As you can see, I'm pretty much down to the frame and the motor. See what else I can take off tonight. Not a lot left to get down to the bones of it. Okay, so here I got what I'm calling the flywheel side cover off. There's just a bolt here, here, and one here. You take those out. They're just some long bolts. Just go in there. 1, 2, 3. Phillips head. You can tell I've got a crack here that's broken off a piece. So I'm going to see if I can fix that. I may have to weld it. This is looking at the flywheel side of the bike. You can see I've got a brake here, which is coincides with the other brake piece I showed you on the cover here. So I'm probably gonna have to weld the little piece here, figure something out that I may need to weld. Okay, so I got the chain off. You can see the chain kind of comes to an end. It has this piece here that joins both of the chain links together. It has the end chain link that kind of clips it in, and then this piece is the last piece. It slides on there and locks in the pin notches to keep the chain together in one piece. So I'm going to put it all back together.